We cooking with Abu Velore, baby. Yeah, I'm ready, son. I'm ready. Rest in peace to my pops. What's life all about, baby? You tell me. It's your perception of things, I guess. Yeah. Yeah, we're gonna start it off. We got the spinach, we got the chicken, got a little BQ sauce, you know. Right now, this is a pre-seasoned chicken. I just did it with a little onion powder and garlic powder. I had it in the refrigerator for a couple of hours, just chilling. You season your chicken to your liking, as I always say, right? Do a little olive oil in the pan. Got the chicken in there now, glazing a little something. Just glazing lightly, not too hard, just glazing lightly, because I'm going to bake it. So as you see right there, I glazed it down. I had added a little bit of chicken stock and a little barbecue sauce. I like to marinate mine in. Again, to your liking. Now we're going to drop the barbecue sauce on the tin pan. I got a small tin pan because I'm only cooking for two. Laid my chicken in the tin pan. I'm going to put the BQ sauce on top. Simple stuff. Anybody can do it. Don't go for the okie doke. Anybody can cook. Usually people brush it, but instead of me brushing it, I just sit it on top because in the process of it being heated in the oven, it's going to marinate and melt down and just be all over the chicken. I put plenty of it, so that's not a problem. My oven is at 350, but I originally started it on 425 to get the oven very hot. And as you see right now, I'm just marinating a little spinach down, quick, fast. I threw that in lightly because it only takes a couple of minutes. And as you see, oven baked, nice barbecue chicken. That's what it is, boy. You're cooking with Abu Velore. Stay tuned. Don't touch that dial, because we got a lot more cooking. You heard? Peace. We cooking with Abu Velore, baby.
Light, camera.
Oh yeah. Hey yo, Abu.
Peace, nemesis.
What we out here to do?
I'm uptown Brooklyn on a Saturday night. I got my mind right, I'm gonna blaze the mic. Tailor-made suits, hat cocked to the right. Black revolution, but I'm polite. My girl, when I'm Flatbush tone. In my zone, got blown. They watching from a drone. Will these rebels ever leave me alone? I'm the home run hitter, slick money getter. I'm the big dog. You titty betters, hot ball spitter, black mink chinchilla. I'ma give the record to the highest bidder. Velore and Double. We came correct. Point seen, money lost with a stack on my bet. 7-11, C-low on my dice. And one of you gonna pay the price. You thought I was a fad, but I'll never pass. I snatched the money bag and ran on your Abu Velore, boy, I'm smooth like jazz. Hip hop top class. You get mad like paid in full. I had a diamond in a stack.
Supervise, now we stepping up, qualified. Yeah, always fly, bona fide, legit. Yo, I sense a storm front accumulating momentum. I see storefronts hiding, incriminating agendas. I used to ride low, pull up in a bend them till I understood misunderstood wisdom. Visceral addendum, memorandum for advanced preparation. Revolution, I televise, advise the wise man your stations. Thinking steps ahead like designer said cases. To avoid the casket, the ignorant get encasing. Crematorium, corrupted corpses incinerated. Meet the green-eyed tigress who won't be intimidated. Shutting up the mouths from which lies get disseminated. Cleanse your soul with pure flows, infection eliminated. Aura eternal, inferno of dream haters. Power internal, preferred quote of dreamscapers. Chase the logic and catch up to what I mean later. Rebirth in quantum leap, royalty of creator. I said royalty of creator. Always fly, bonafide legends. Bonafide legends. That's how we keep the devil horrified, mystified, supervised. Sniff while we stepping up, qualified. Always fly, bonafide legends. Bonafide legends.
You already know. Abu Velore Nemesis. We bonafide legit.
Bonafide legends.
Who's made a difference in your life?
Yes,
Oh, a lot of people. But a lot of people who have allowed me to have some silence. And I don't think we give that gift very much anymore. I'm very concerned that our society is much more interested in information than
Yo.
wonder.
You not rocking it right. That Versace boy. You not rocking it right. That Christian Dior. You not rocking it right. That YSL. You not rocking it right. That Fendi, huh? You not rocking it right. You not rocking it right, huh? You not rocking it right, yo. You not rocking it right. Your color's too bright. Pants too tight. You look like you on crack, boy, hitting the pipe. Abu Velore here to share some light. You're not hip-hop, so let go of that mic. I was born with this, graffiti on the wall, the guard degrees, and I naturally ball. You not hip-hop, this shit got to stop. You like an informer, a crooked cop. You don't represent the real, I'm out for the kill. I'm lethal injection, Antonio Bill. Never told on a nigga, I'd never squeal. MCs get killed, I kill at will. You best to chill, I got my skill. And caps get peeled, I'm on my Ron O'Neal. Max Julian, and I'm Maxwell. And all you rappers, go to hell. I told y'all boys you're not rocking it right. You bitch ass cats, you not rocking it right. You're not rocking it right, boy, you're not rocking it right. Y'all cats just not rocking it right. Abu Velore. Yeah, that Gucci kid, you're not rocking it right. That Fendi kid, you're not rocking it right. That Louis Vuitton, you're not rocking it right. And you look so dusty like you're smoking a pipe. The synthetic diamonds, that ain't right. They made in the lab, masonite. A bunch of fake colors shining in the light. You dumb down kids trying to play bright. Abu Velore, baby, with my rhymes galore. On the lyric store, son, you're not rocking it right. You're not rocking it right. You're not rocking it right. You bitch ass cats ain't rocking it right. You're not rocking it right. You're not rocking it right. Case on the jeweler, nigga. Bum! Flatbush Thug.
guns and drugs. I knew the plug, but I was bugged. They gave me $1 million in '88 because my mind was great, way upstate. So authentic, never fake. Political slayer, dope rhyme sayer, Abu Velore, original player. Don't claim to be the best MC, but you know on the low, don't fuck with me. You get damaged, B. I'm G.O.G., I'm T.O.P. My drip is bigger, onboard snicker, rhyme flipper, brown liquor sipper, home run hitter, MC killer. I take the skriller. I'm Brooklyn born, nobody litter. Frank Matthews and we rock the spinners.
I'll be there. Whenever you want it, I'll be there. Whenever you need it, I'll be there. I'll be around.
Don't claim to be the best MC, but you know on the low, don't be.
Let's get it. When I grab the mic, it's like a Tyson fight. I go back and forth all day, all night. Look in the mirror, it's a beautiful sight. 7-day cruise, airplane flights. I'm good to go, piece the double low. I stand alone, can't touch my flow. I clean shit up like mop and glow. I'm nice on the mic, you already know.
Whenever you call me, I'll be there.
Yo, man, can we see the mic? Hey, yo, man, can we see the mic?
Don't claim to be the best MC, but you know on the low, don't be.
Hey, yo, man, can we see the mics, man? Mics, man. Mics, man. Mics, man. Mics, man. Hey, yo, man, can we see the mics, man? Mics, man. Mics, man. Mics, man. Mics, man.
Yeah, I like this, man.
Can't be caught up in all the hype. Can't be caught up in all the hype.
Let's get right to it, man. Yo, King Abu, the gods all in it. You know my style, I've been authentic. I keep winning while the record is spinning. I've been hip hop from the very beginning. Abu Velore, Velore and Double. Watch me work, son, watch me blow. I picked your pocket, took your wallet, I begged you, count your dough. In 16 bars, I'm letting you know. Y'all rappers and I hate po-po. But anyway, I'm back with the hats. I'm flavor neighbor, like a Big Mac. Peppermint hot, like a Tic Tac. You're looking at the Mac, Velore to throw back. Your ugly shit fine, yeah I said that. You're just another rapper in a baseball cap.
Can't be caught up in all the hype. Can't be caught up in all the hype.
I bet you feel me all.
Can't be caught up in all the hype. In all the hype.
Straight up and down.
What's a throne without a black stone? Act grown. Get blazed all the way from your top down to your backbone. I bring the cell through, take him to hell too. Cause the whole L rule is LU. This ain't fire, this is Richard Pryor. Or Tenet with Abu. I spit them verses that grab you, like Erica, Maine, or Badu. When that rock's thrown, get at you, I had to. Really for sure, I had you. Hit the phone, my Bogota, bringing the bag through. Hitting and they mad too. Whole clique with mad blue. Queens and we mad dog too. VS, neck, how we end. Never condone the snitches on the road to riches. Dug for ditches, plugs and switches. Get the drop, slug your spot, drug your thought. Now how you gon' tell if it's love or not?
was raised for.
Can't be caught up in all the hype.
I bet you feel me, y'all.
Can't be caught up in all the hype. In all the hype.
Authentic, straight up and down. I bet you feel me, y'all.
Yeah, knuckles, big balls, Mars Noel, Abu Velore, we in the building. Yeah.
Can't be caught up in all the hype.
The same team is what raised for.
Can't be caught up in all the hype.
I bet you feel me, y'all.
Can't be caught up in all the hype. In all the hype.
Authentic, straight up and down. I bet you feel me, y'all.
We cooking with Abu Velore, baby.